Hi there, traders. This is Brad Gilbert with today's trading action. All right, now the action on the live trade hub. What is the focus this week? Now, this is a good thing to sort of get squared away before you start the week so you know exactly what you should be paying attention to. Now, there's a lot of UK data coming out, but the most important number for me is the US inflation numbers. Now, US numbers have been coming out strong, and that's giving the dollar a really strong uptrend. We want that trend to continue. That's the easy cash. So the CPI numbers month on month, we're looking at 0.3%. Okay, the range 0.2 to 0.4, and the year on year 2.8. Now, this is probably the key number that the Fed refer to mostly, 2.6 to 2.9, the numbers there. And where's the best trade here? Well, we've got trending markets, so stronger numbers. Ideally, both numbers stronger, but definitely the year on year is what we want to really look at. Now, today, where's the action today? Now, what I've done is with the majors, I've broken them up into short term and long term because you know what? There's two trading opportunities here. Now, short term, we do have good trending markets with the dollar yen being the odd one out, right? The yen starting to rally. So that's something to keep an eye on as we go forward. We do have trending markets on the other instruments. The ones that I like the setup of and feel most comfortable with, I've got pending orders and set to prime time sell for Euro, Aussie, and Kiwi, right? The dollar pairs aren't anywhere sort of close for me at the moment. So these are the ones I'm looking at, and not sterling at the moment because there's other sterling data coming out, and there's a lot of extra little components to what sterling's doing at the moment. So I'm just leaving it out at the moment. So I've got prime time orders set up on Prime Time Pro for Euro, Aussie, and Kiwi. And you know what? Long term, we've got some long term trends in play with that strong dollar. I have got pending orders across the board there on the long term charts. Now, the main reason for that is the long term charts, the long term levels, they only hit like once a month. So you cannot sort of just switch on and off like we do with the short term market. Long term, trends are in play. If it hits those levels, I'm looking for a prime time setup, either a sell or a buy, depending if it's going up or down. All right, that gives you a bit of explanation there around the majors. The crosses, right? It's very interesting, right? Because there's not a lot going on the buy side, right? Euro Aussie, I can see, yeah, that looks like a buy to me. But as far as selling opportunities go, we're starting to see some really good opportunities. And you'll notice Swiss and the yen are the sort of main culprits. The yen crosses, like there is this safe haven trade here. And it's not just necessarily against the dollar because the dollar uptrend is very strong, but the Swiss and the yen are starting to outperform pretty much all the other pairs. So switch onto those because it sort of happens very quickly. All of a sudden, in a week's time, the news out there is, yeah, there's a safe haven trade on here with the Swiss and yen, but we can get onto it early by looking at these pairs. So they're the ones that I would be suggesting you take a close look at. There's no setups at the moment in the trade zone, but they will during the course of the next 12 to 16 hours, you would think. All right, guys, that's the trading action today. Don't forget, check the majors. We've got good opportunities almost in play. It is a Monday. Take it easy and good luck with your trading. All right, guys, have a good one. Cheerio.